pyrshah jor halor ka jinge soy ka MOU hapreng ka jala Meghalaya bat ka Assam ha ka jinge penbet port penbet sam ka bare ha ka wat ka paningkong ba ka Lung Dohkha jong ka Shnong Maikhuli la pynhap jubor sha ka jala Assam ki paitbah nong Shnong ka Shnong Maikhuli menta ka sngi ki le mi paitbah banyat paitbah na ka benta kan pyrshah jor halor ka te ka MOU balai soy hadu bala pynhap jubor ya Lung Dohkha sha ka jala Assam da ka jing pyrshah jor ki nong Shnong ka Shnong Maikhuli ne do ki long kami ki long pa ki samla bat ki nong ilam Shnong ki le mi paitbah panra ya ki banner ki plakat bat ki jing tho ba bon rukam ki ba penram halor ka ne ki jing pynhap jubor ya ka Lung Dohkha sha Assam bat ki la dawaru naga sarkar Meghalaya baka day ban pen phai byang yakate ka Lung Dohkha sha ka Shnong Maikhuli bahap Haribhoi district haka jila Meghalaya kumbala pen pau kani ka Lung Dohkha ka day ka Lung Dohkha bala long trai daga Shnong Maikhuli bat kila rida sumar mentala palat sampus nami ai bat kani ka Lung Dohkha ka day ru ka way na kilat kamai ka Shnong ban kershan ya ka school hapo ka Shnong bat ru ya ki babon ki jingdan kam hapo ka Shnong ka thau bat ka ka bala penbitari ki paitbah ka day ka jinga soy ya ka MOU ban pynhap jubor ya ka te ka Pung sha ka jala Assam klem dati ne bishar panya halor ka jinglong tra ya ka te ka Lung Dohkha da ka Shnong Maikhuli ha ka ni ka jingyat paitbah ki nong Shnong da ka sur ka bajam ki dawajur na ka sarkar Meghalaya bat ka sarkar Assam ba kin pen kalab yang no ya ka MOU bat ban pen phai byang ya ka te ka Lung Dohkha sha ka Shnong Maikhuli ha ka ba kila pen pauru ba horkit hordang kino mailat ba ka te ka Lung Dohkha bala rila sumar da ka Shnong kan let sha ka jala Assam
Chief Minister Comrade Samako anga akan na mula kasabe jingiya MOU sign kago bako Assam aro Meghalaya government sakani asong kago bako please nipulbo jengade maina jenga bisari gure jengade maina watjawa jengade maina skanguni bulsi sopunga gatham jengan
we are protesting here regarding Meghalaya government and Assam government. They have already signed the MOU in Delhi, but there is one point we have objectionable that memorandum number 5. I will read out this memorandum. Whereas in the meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya on 6 August 2021 at Guwahati Regional Committee headed by a minister with local MLA and other officers as members both side for the 6 area of difference covering 3 districts each of on both sides were to be constituted for jointly visiting the area followed by their independent and analysis of the area of difference using 5 mutually agreed principle. IA1 historical perspective, 2 ethnicity of local population, 3 contiguity with boundary, 4 people's will, and 5 administrative convenience at your stick. We have learned that this point is not going to for our side. It is objectionable that people's will. This should be done by the Meghalaya government or Assam government. This is a very important point, and administrative convenience as yardstick, because Meghalaya government is already was given to us all the facility, schools and roads and everything given by the Meghalaya government. But Assam, we don't have any single paisa also. That's why we have objection that this fishery fund actually this is given to the Assam government that